Okay, so I've picked up this roller, and I was very excited about get this because I got this at a great price. But then I got it home. Hi Nixie, how you doing? And I discovered that it will not fit my skid steer because I have a solid plate in front of it here, and you can see where the center roller mounts was actually hitting my automatic changer. And what that centerpiece does is it allows the whole roller to tip left and right around this centerpiece. But it sticks out past the skid steer plate. So what I've done is I looked on Amazon and I found a replacement part, or basically a skid steer plate here. And I'll leave the link to this in the link down below. And this particular unit is set up so that once we weld that on there, it's going to clear that center assembly. And it shouldn't take too much to do that. And then I'll cut off these bottom tabs so that that unit will fit on there correctly. Then on the end here we have the hydraulic pump, which actually drives the vibrator. And I had to change the hydraulic lines for that and get new male-female couplers. And this small female coupler in the middle, or male coupler in the middle here, which basically is used for high flow overflow. So it shouldn't take too much to get this up and running. So let's see what we can do about cutting these tabs off, getting her welded on. Okay, well, we did it, and thank you, Mark, my neighbor, for doing an incredible welding job. I'm a MIG welder, and this particular job definitely needed stick to get it a lot more rugged, and he's done an incredible welding job here. This roller weighs about a ton, and you can see now the skidster plate sits out beyond that center rotation piece, so I'm not going to have a problem with my John Deere 323E hooking that up to that, or any skidster mount as far as that goes. Now, because this was a no-name brand roller, there was some weird ends on the end, so I ordered some new cables and new male-female ends, and this center coupler, which is a hydraulic overflow line. Okay, so we have gone out and received hydraulic cables, plus we got some high grade fluid here to fill everything up. And because this is a no-name brand roller, the cables and the connections on it were some sort of weird connections, so we picked up a new coupler ends, and I'll leave those links in the description down below where we got those from Amazon. And also the different hydraulic cables that we ended up getting here, both the male and female connectors, again, they had these weird ends on them, so they're not a typical hydraulic end that you might find on the flip screen unit that I have. So we had to do some special connections to put that together. So let's get this thing hooked up and see if she works. We'll show you how this roller works up because we got a job coming up here in the next couple of weeks. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe. Have a great day.